The mean of reproductive health, that individuals are totally fit in all aspects of reproduction, that is called reproductive health. Government of India launched a program that is called RCH, Reproductive and Child Health Program. What is the aim of this program? The aim of this program that provide information of sexually transmitted disease and their prevention and control. All information, all aspects of reproduction and reproductive health, and proper hygienic sex practices. Avoid the misconception and myth about the reproduction. This is also an aim. Another aim, that during the time of adolescence, provide information to the young individuals that changes take place in reproductive organs. That is the aim of reproductive and child health. Very important. Next, that is world population explosion. What is the meaning of this word population explosion? That increase the size of population very rapidly, very fast. That is called population explosion. What is the reason behind the population explosion? That improve the medical facilities. Due to the improvement of medical facilities, the death rate of IMR, infant mortality rate, is decreased. Mortality means death rate. And MMR, very important, these two terms, maternal mortality rate, also decrease. That increase the size of population. Another reason of population explosion is that awareness and education about sexually transmitted diseases and about the reproductive health measure, that is, and introduction of ART. Those individuals are infertile, due to the introduction of ART, they are get rid of this problem, and that is mean of assisted reproductive technologies. So these things increase the size of population. Very important. Next we move, that is methods of birth control. There is two types of method. One is natural and second is artificial. So in natural method, like coitus interruptus. What about coitus interruptus? In this method of birth control, that withdraw the penis from the vagina during the time of ejaculation. Before ejaculation, withdraw the penis. So sperm does not reach to the vagina or uterus. So fertilization does not take place. Very important. Next method, that is lactational amenorrhea. Very important. Lactational amenorrhea means the absence of menstrual cycle or absence of ovum or ovulation. That is called lactational amenorrhea. The fact is based on that a time of intense lactation up to 6 months. How many months? Followed by the parturition. When mother wishes to feed the child, the chance of conception, chance of pregnancy is nil. Up to 6 months, that is called lactational amenorrhea, because menstrual cycle and ovum does not release out. Very important. Next we go for the artificial method. In artificial method, first one is barrier. So in the case of male, that is using condom. Barrier, what is the function of these barriers? Barriers prevent the meeting of the sperm and ovum, so sperm and ovum does not meet and fertilization does not take place. So in the case of male, that is rubber sheath-like structure which worn over the penis, which receives the semen during the time of ejaculation, during the time of insemination. So this sperm does not reach to the uterus. There is one advantage of this method, that it also prevent from the STD, sexually transmitted diseases. Very important. Other method of barrier that is used in the case of female, that is cervical cap, vault and diaphragm. So cervical cap, vault and diaphragm, that is used in the case of female. Cervical cap is cap-like structure which is placed in the cervix or over the vagina, that sperm does not reach to the uterus. So along with the cervical cap, we also use the spermicide, that is chemical which kills the sperm. So that is also a beneficial method or a promising method which is used in the birth control. Another that is methods IUD, very important, intrauterine devices. Intrauterine devices, that is called IUDs. So intrauterine devices are two type. How many type? Two type. Copper containing and hormonal. These IUDs are thin wire loop-like structure which is placed in the uterus of the female under the guidance of the expert, medical expert. So the copper containing IUDs like copper T and copper 7. This copper containing IUDs, what it do? That release of copper ion cause phagocytosis of the sperm. Phagocytosis means kill the sperm, also suppress the sperm motility. Very important one. Copper containing. What is hormonal LNG? LNG that is hormonal containing IUDs. What it do? The hormones, it make the uterus condition unfavorable and make the cervix mucus thick, hostile for the entry of the sperm. When sperm does not enter, then fertilization chance is nil. That is a function of IUD. Another method of birth control, that is pills. Third one. First is barrier, second one IUD, third is pills. So pills is also two type, mini and combined. Mini pill only containing progesterone and combined pill containing estrogen plus progesterone. These two. These pills are females are taking 21 days regularly and omitted 7 days of menstrual cycle. So if you are taking forget pills, then this is not most reliable, but it is also a promising method because easy to use, that's why. So what it do? Progesterone that make the uterus condition unfavorable for the implantation. So when implantation does not take place, so pregnancy will not go for. And another that makes cervix mucus thick, that is function of progesterone. Combined pill, what it do? The estrogen, what it do? Estrogen inhibit the release of ovum from the ovary, and progesterone similar as make the condition of cervix hostile for the sperm entry, so pregnancy does not take place. This is a function of these pills.